I'm here at 11 Kurrajong Road on Russell Island. Land for sale, 536 metres squared. Corner block on the corner of Coombah Drive and Kurrajong Road, a sealed road. So this block is special in the way that it has already got its power connected. Also water is connected. It has plumbing approval and a septic system already installed, and has plans for a one-bedroom house and a large shed. So here is the water meter and power box connected. And the septic system, which to get a septic system installed, it's about 12 to 15,000. So if you're interested, give me a call. Kat from T Barclay Real Estate. Thanks for watching.